Trump-Harvard legal showdown is accelerating after Trump called Harvard a joke and froze its $2.2 billion in research funding. The university has filed a federal lawsuit against the Trump administration, accusing it of unlawfully freezing $2.2 billion in research funding. The move marks a historic clash over academic freedom and government overreach. So what's behind this legal battle? Let's break it down. On April 14, 2025, the Trump administration demanded that Harvard comply with a series of policy changes, including eliminating diversity, equity, and inclusion programs, auditing student and faculty viewpoints, and screening international students for anti-American beliefs. Trump accused that top US universities, including Harvard, mishandled last year's pro-Palestinian protest and allowed anti-Semitism to fester on campuses. The White House even threatened to withhold $9 billion in federal funding if Harvard didn't comply with the administration's demand. However, Harvard President Alan Garber rejected the demands, calling them an unconstitutional attempt to control the Harvard community and a violation of the university's First Amendment rights. The administration then froze $2.2 billion in multi-year grants and $60 million in contracts, with reports suggesting another $1 billion could be at risk. On April 21st, Harvard escalated the fight, suing the Trump administration in Boston federal court. The lawsuit argues the funding freeze is arbitrary and unlawful, bypassing required legal procedures under Title VI of the Civil Rights Act. Harvard claims the cut threatened life-saving research in fields like medicine and technology, impacting not just the university but the broader public. The Trump administration justifies the freeze by accusing Harvard of failing to address anti-Semitism during pro-Palestinian protests. President Trump has also called for revoking Harvard's tax-exempt status, labeling it a political entity. However, critics including Harvard law professor Nicholas Bowie argue the demands are a broader attack on academic freedom aimed at aligning universities with the administration's political agenda. With a $53 billion endowment, Harvard might seem financially secure. However, the frozen funds directly support critical research, and the university warns of layoffs and program cuts. And this isn't just about Harvard. Other Ivy League schools like Columbia, Cornell, and Northwestern face similar funding threats, raising questions about the future of higher education under federal pressure. The lawsuit has sparked national debate. Supporters, including former US President Barack Obama, praise Harvard's stand for academic independence. Meanwhile, the Trump administration insists it's protecting civil rights and taxpayer dollars. The courts will now decide whether this freeze violates federal law or the Constitution.